Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about verbs. First, let us learn what are called verbs. Okay, we are having in here words that tell us what a person, animal, or thing is doing are called action words or doing words or verbs. So, dear students, doing words are called verbs. Okay, what we can do, what people can do, what animals can do, and what things can do are doing words or action words or verbs. For example, run, jump, talk, sing. Okay, these are the doing words. Now, page number 38, get started. Rearrange the letters in color to get new words. Write them below. Here we are having some colored words. We have to rearrange them to make a proper word. The cow dash over the moon. Answer will be Jumps, jumps over the moon. Next, the dish dash away with the spoon. Answer runs. Runs, runs away with the spoon. This is the dish, right? And it has run away with the spoon. Next is the mouse dash up the clock. This is the mouse. The mouse runs up the clock. Runs. And the last one is again the mouse dash down. Here also we have to write runs, runs. Okay, so these are the doing words: jumps, runs, runs. Okay, these are the doing words. Next, write 3 things you can do. Here in the dashes you can write what you can do. One is already done, I can sing. And another 3 you have to write in here. Like if you can draw, you can write draw here. If you can sing, if you can dance, whatever, you can write 3 in these dashes. Okay. Next, question number A. Circle the doing words in these sentences. Here we are having 6 sentences. We are having some doing words in here. We have to circle them. Number 1, the kangaroo hops in the field. So, which one is the doing word here? What can the kangaroo do? The kangaroo can hop, isn't it? So, in this sentence, the doing word will be hops. Number 2, Rita drinks milk every morning. Answer, what can Rita do? Rita can drink, isn't it? So, answer will be drinks. Number 3, Ramana plays badminton in the evening. What does Ramana do? Plays. Plays is the doing word. Because we have already learnt in here, right? Words that tell us what a person can do, what an animal can do, what a thing can do. So here we have the animal, right? Kangaroo. Hops. Rita is a person. She drinks. Ramana is a person. Plays. The cat is an animal. What do the cat do? Runs after the puppy. So here we are having the doing word runs. Fifth, now the fox sleeps under a tree. The fox is an animal, isn't it? So what does the fox do? The fox sleeps under a tree. So sleeps will be the doing word in here. And the last one, Kiran lives in Mumbai. Where does Kiran live? Kiran lives in Mumbai. So lives will be the doing word. This is all for today. Complete your homework.